Hello there, I'm showcasing my new curly do today. I've just invested in a diffuser, so I now have relatively calm curls for me anyway. But just wanted to give you a bit of an update about my latest project, which is this. This is the Zick Zack scarf by Christy Kamm, and it's on Ravlery. Now, we first posted about this last week. I wasn't really expecting, it certainly wasn't done from a point of view of a business point of view or a sales point of view. It was literally, I had seen this scarf on my friend's Instagram and absolutely fell in love with it. Downloaded the pattern, messaged my friend and said, look, I think I'm going to be starting this. Came into the shop, got a little bit carried away and just quite quickly on a Sunday afternoon picked two colours of Stylecraft head over heels. This is the Zooty Owl colour, and this is by Attic 24, and I can't remember the proper names. We'll put it underneath in the editorial or in the title or something. So, like I said, I just put this on the newsletter that I had started this scarf and a picture of it, just because I had started the scarf and a picture of it with nothing else in mind, but I liked the scarf. And it all went a bit potty. So, Christy Kamm, thank you for such an amazing pattern. And you can see, I mean, I'm hoping I'm going to get this finished this weekend. It is absolutely beautiful. The repeat of the colour pattern, you wouldn't think those two colours necessarily would come out like this, and I am in love with it. It's a really, really simple 2-row pattern. In fact, 1-row pattern, because you're just doing the same thing all the time. You might have to undo a couple of times when you get to the bottom, just because I kept losing stitch count. I have pulled it out of bag too fast and lost my stitches a couple of times. But honestly, you can do this watching telly, no problem. It is, and it's perfect for any relatively short colour change yarn. I actually now have a load of yarns on my desk where I keep looking at colours thinking, oh, would it work with that? Would it work with that? So what I am doing, just to note, is I am doing 2 repeats left. So I think you're supposed to cast on 96 stitches. I've done 72. I will wear mine at work, so I don't want it quite as wide because I don't really want a double over completely warm scarf, because as much as it's freezing here today because there's snow on the ground, it's not always that cold. And the other thing to notice is, if you look, this is the side where I'm bringing my colours up. And I'm trying to do this quite tight so that I don't get big loops. There was a couple of places just there where I got loops bigger than I wanted. So I've brought it up there, which does mean it looks slightly baggier on this side, but I'm going to block that so it should be absolutely fine. And like I say, I'm hoping that I'm actually going to have finished it by next week.